100. True. Mangoes, durian,
And
coconut ice cream. Morning guys, breakfast time. Today's the birthday of Danielle's grandma, turning 93 or 94. So we're just getting ready at the Rock, Koh Samui, the Rock hotel we're at. We get a complimentary breakfast, which is good. Wasn't expecting that. And we're just sitting there waiting for our food. And it's the main road just out here. People driving, people going to work. This is the family house in here, so they're just next door, which is good. So what's going to happen today is we're going to go to the temple, say some blessings to the monks, give them some food, because Danielle's family are Buddhist state then. It's a Buddhist religion. Andy, did you want to say something? Got a few fans here. They like how you slay.
Smells so good.
This is the master chef bringing our food. Sawadee cup. Hey. Complimentary lemon shake, fruit platter, more mangosteen. What's this? What's this stuff?
It's I don't know.
I don't know. Yeah, we're here for Ya's birthday.
Okay, look at me. Yeah.
We just said happy birthday to the birthday woman. I've got my Jackson shirt from Jackson's birthday, and Jackson's got his granddad's top. Yeah, and everyone else got their farang tops on. So we're off to the temple. By what? By what means go temple. So yeah, by what Amautolo. Niue is already there.
Show them the pool.
Beautiful weather again.
Show them the pool.
We're all excited. This is like a cultural tradition. We got to go to the temple. The old lady can't go to the temple because she's too unwell, too sick. So we'll go on her behalf, and then do our prayers. Come back, have feed, party. Pretty straightforward. Almost sounds like an island party. We're at the temple now. There. Yeah. Don't know if we're allowed to record now, so I'll turn this off. This is Bull's headstone shrine here. Yeah. Yep, so we just saw Bull's gravestone. He passed away during COVID, so we couldn't come visit him. Hey, careful! Well, he was sick, unfortunately. So now we know where his burial place is. So if we come back, we can pay our respects. Wow. Yep, so walking up these stairs, go back to the temple. Man, a lot of the monks were drawn towards Jackson. I think the boys get a lot more attention than the girls. So a lot of them were coming and talking to him. And yeah, it's a new experience. This is Buddhism. Yeah, I said a lot of prayers in there, a lot of chants, and I asked what were they saying, and it's like their own. They got their own language. It's not even normal Thai. It's like monk Thai. Jackson got a lot of attention. They liked his lightning bolt on his head. It's not common here. So yeah, met more of the family. They didn't invite much of the old people because a lot of them are hard for them to travel. So it's just mainly the younger people in their 50s and 60s, but they left like the 80 plus at home. It's just hard. The grandma's got like 9 siblings, all female I think, and yeah, but they might come back later tonight for the party. And yeah, we're just checking out this place. Looks pretty cool, just across the road. So we're burning hot. We want to go back, have another shower. This is probably my 4th shower today. It's just so hot. And then see what happens. Okay. We're at the 93rd party. You wouldn't think it's a 93-year-old party. We got the
It's so loud.
yeah, we got DJ, we got karaoke, we got a lot of noise friends here. Yeah. All right. Wow, good setup. Wow. Big party. That looks like the band. Party's just getting started. Happy birthday, y'all. Suksan Wonder.
Rồi phải xách hai đi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Lên lên. Mừng bắt đây đắp.
Aditan, yeah, vô.
แต่อายุ103 ปี
Vô rồi cà phê ai. Aditan.
103 ปีเอา
Đây, bảo lên.
Chạy lên. Không biết. Chi lỗi.
Thank you.
ให้อันวันอันอันนี้ให้อันวัน
Where is she looking? Not even looking at me.
That's Grandma Rock. Yeah. Odd name. We just hey, we just explained what Grandma Rock and Grandpa Rock is to the kids. What do you guys think?
What?
What's Grandpa
I think
Rock?
It's kind of strange, but
I think it's gonna be yucky. Those
Yeah.
toilets, yucky.
They just found out that
Oh, no, it's a bit more.
the big rock is the
Dad, if something has something good, a sleigh.
so it's not sleigh.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they're just having a read. It's a bit hard for them to comprehend. Why would they would give it that name? But yeah, if you do come, see the parking. 30 baht for car and 10 baht for scooter or motorbike.
Where are we going now?
Back to the house.
The bed more. We'll have a hotel.
We're all sweating like pigs. Go walk back. found at the dairy. Now they're a bit more health conscious, so I found a protein drink, 31 grams, which is good. 31 grams, hardly any sugar. So then now I can just go down and buy me one of those. Don't have to buy, you don't have to think too much. If I'm feeling something healthy, I can just run down, grab me a drink, come back. So yeah, now we're going to check into our new hotel. It's an Airbnb villa. It's called Sawan. So we're just gonna walk back. This is Southern Glade. It's a famous seafood restaurant in Niue, the area that we're in. Yeah, I haven't been here for a long time. Might have to go check it out. But that's Southern Glade. Awesome seafood restaurant. Got my nephew's restaurant. Didn't know he owned a restaurant here. It's called Lama's Cafe. Lama Jeremiah. Didn't know. I didn't know you stayed here. Lama. I don't know if you can see that.
Alright.
Funny.
Come on.
Nah. Lama's the name of my nickname for my nephew. And then we got this massive Thai fight hotel. Thai fight, they run all the fights here in Samui. They're pretty popular for the kickboxing. It's pretty busy because it's quite famous. See that? Yeah. That's the entrance. So tomorrow we're going to a toga party. But we thought it was we were told it was a Tonga party. Bit of a communication barrier. We lost in translation. We got told, come to a Tonga party. So that's why I got my shirts and my air lava lava. But it's actually a toga. So we didn't bring any costume for a toga. But what we're thinking was I'd have to take the bed sheets and wrap them around. Dangerous, man, dangerous. Jackson was just running on the road. Okay, we're back now. Okay, we're just looking for some toga uniforms for tomorrow. Central, which is in Shawang. It's like the Flash Mall, upmarket mall on the island. Shawang is the biggest, most popular city. Yeah, so this is Shawang. This is definitely the flashiest mall on the island. Yep. Just gonna go grab something to eat. Just waiting to get to that aircon. Fresh, and she's cutting it now. See? She's making it now. There's a long line. These guys are waiting. This place must be popular. I just feel like something sweet. Not bad, eh? So yeah.
Go Jackson.
Oh, who's this Flash guy? Indy. Slave. See if Ari wanted a turn, so we've got another driver here. Still shopping. Look at these. What are these? These are not your can't find Birkenstocks though, sorry. No Birkenstocks or Air Jordans. Just some crocodile looking shoes. We're going to a toga party tomorrow, so I'm just looking for something that looks like a toga. But can't. Might have to go to a dress up store. Find a reef. Just walk in with a white lava and a reef on my head. Yeah. 100, 200 baht. These are all the fruits. You want some of that? What's that? Dragon fruit. Watermelon. Looks like 49 baht a kg, I think. Oh, that's pomelo. 400 baht a kg. Mangoes, durian,
And
coconut ice cream. Hello guys, we're just getting our togas organized. We've got some sheets, so I look like Aristotle. We're off to a Greek party.
Hello, we are at our villa and we are getting ready for our toga party, and it's gonna be a lot of Australians. Yeah. Slay!
All right, we're going to the toga party now.
I do not look nice with this. It looks like
We're
mine's
off.
ripped.
Look at us.
Mine's ripped.
Toga. 60th. Apparently there's like 170 people coming.
100 and...
So go Jackson. Go Jackson. Photo. Andy, photo.
Andy, you take a photo with us. Your back, look. Move a little bit. Show your dress.
1, 2, 3.
Hey, g'day mate, how are you?
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Good to see you.
Thanks bro.
Happy 60th.
Cheers.
Happy birthday to Adam.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, good on you guys. Cheers.
Man, the party's packed. Apparently it's people from all over the world. But Adam himself he's Aussie. I just come to get some break. The kids are a bit nervous and yeah, we just feel a bit off, a bit odd, because we don't really know Adam. He's Danielle's dad's friend. So this is what the place looks like. The party's right there, and I'm just by the sea. You can see there's a full moon tonight, so a few people might turn a bit crazy. But the food's like kind of like skewers and stuff. And as you can see, we've got our toga outfits on. Looks pretty good. But yeah, better go back. Yeah, we'll go back. Okay. So I'll go across and you'll just see. You'll see what it's like. Busy. Yeah. Pretty busy. Yeah, just letting someone go through with their food.
Is it the shirt you get? Shirt you get?
Look at this good guy. He's training, eh? Durian.
Mama.
Sweet and creamy.
Mango steam. Ah, Jackson, some watermelon. Some, I don't know, what is that? Pineapple. After that, it's watermelon. You got those things. Pineapple, watermelon. Mango. normal mango, dragon fruit. What is those? Oh, those are apples. Pineapple. Ooh. Pomelo. Ooh, apple. Pear. Grapes. Mandarin. And whatever those are. Wait, can I stay
Alright.
in the car? These are mango steam. They are really good.
Yeah, or it's hard to find a car park. Struggle just to get a park.
This is really
There's not much space. The Jackson's just getting the mango steam. Whakalawhatu mākou, I'm at a market now. Insects. Ma. Not watching where I'm going, I stepped in a puddle, so I'm going to turn this camera off.